Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin's porridge. Here I have water, some cinnamon, and some pimentos, and if you wish, you can add cloves. Okay, so here is the pumpkin, and it's nice and big. This was given to me from my neighbor. I write it down just in case you can't hear me clearly. So I hope this works out. So you peel it out and take the core out, both sides, and take out the seeds. That's what I'm going to start doing. Okay, so the water is about to boil. So we're going to let that to boil for 10 minutes so all the flavor comes out in the water. Okay, so this water has been boiling for 10 minutes. Now it's time to take out the cinnamon and all the pimento seeds. Okay, let's put the chopped pumpkin. I chopped them nice and big. Okay, so now we're going to add some stevia. I have stevia here, so you add as much as you want, how you wish for it to be sweet. Cover and let it cook. Okay, so let's check if this pumpkin is cooked with a fork. So it's going through nicely and it seems like it is ready. Now let's add some coconut cream in there, mix it in well. Let's blend this up until it's nice and smooth. And this is how it looks. It looks so yummy, nice to eat with bread.
Well, here is the results. I hope you try it out. Thumbs up, share the video, comment below. It's a very easy recipe with a homemade bread. I know it's not pretty looking, but it's homemade and it does taste like bread. It's not professional, but it tastes like bread. Try it out. Let me know. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.